Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to permanently delete your stake.com account. First of all, you need to log into your account, and then on the left menu, you need to find responsible gambling and click it. In this menu, you need to go to the self-exclusion. And as you can see, this is the page of self-exclusion. So if you want to delete your account permanently, you need to click this button, which is request self-exclusion. Once you will click this button, they will send an email and there will be the instruction how to delete your account. So this is the instruction how to delete the account. So guys, I received an email from stake.com and this is the instruction how to delete your account. You have requested to begin the self-exclusion process. To start the process, please click the link below, which will initiate the 24-hour cooldown period. So first of all, guys, when you click this blue button, which is start self-exclusion, they will cool down your account for 24 hours. And after that, once the cooldown period has concluded, you will be sent a follow-up email outlining the instructions of how to finalize the process, guys. So first of all, you need to click this button, wait 24 hours. They will just cool down your account, and after that, they will send you another email, and from that email, you will be able to finalize the exclusion process, guys. So after that, your account will be deleted permanently from stake.com. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.